हमारे मुख्य राजनीतिक विपक्षी का रास्ता क्या है? मैं आपको बताती हूं क्या है, आप खुद जानते हैं। यह समाज को बांटने और सांप्रदायिक आधार पर अलग अलग करने का है। ये कट्टरता और द्वेष फैलाने का है। The Lokpal and Lokayukta Act have been passed in Parliament. All Congress-ruled states are committed to a new, more powerful and independent Lokayukta by the end of February 2014. Crucial bills, which are powerful instruments in our fight against corruption, are pending in Parliament. We will do our utmost to get them through when Parliament reconvenes next month.
Congress President Sonia Gandhi setting the party's agenda for the 2014 Lok Sabha polls, declaring defeating communal forces and tackling corruption as the core war cry. Launching a scathing attack on the BJP, Sonia Gandhi said the country faced the biggest threat from communal forces and the next election would be fought to preserve the secular fabric of the nation. Referring to the recent drubbing in the assembly polls, she said the party was not disheartened by the defeat and instead was taking it on as a challenge to overcome. Sonia did, however, admit that the party had fallen short of meeting the expectations of the middle class.
कई बार यह लगता है कि इन आकांक्षाओं और अपेक्षाओं को पूरा करने में कुछ कमी रह गई है। इसके लिए मैं अपने महान संगठन की तरफ से, जिसका नेतृत्व करने का सम्मान मुझे मिला है, मैं सभी लोगों से कुछ नरम रुख अपनाने का अनुरोध करती हूँ।
The first speaker at the session, Sonia, set the tone, lauding the achievements of the UPA government. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh too highlighted his government's successes, stressing on a good growth rate despite price rise and global recession, the benefits of which reach the farmers.
हम गरीबी रेखा चाहे किसी भी स्तर पर तय करें, ये सच ही रहेगा कि गरीबी पहले की तुलना में कहीं अधिक तेजी से कम हुई। ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में समृद्धि बढ़ी है। इसकी एक वजह यह है कि हम कृषि विकास दर में बढ़ोतरी करने में सफल रहे। ग्रामीण इलाकों में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी बहुत बेहतर हुआ।
The Prime Minister said there was a need to introspect over the recent election results, but stressed there was no reason to despair as the party could still win the Lok Sabha polls with an effective strategy under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi.
हम गहराई से सोचें कि विधानसभा चुनाव में हम अच्छा प्रदर्शन क्यों नहीं कर पाए और चुनाव की हमारी तैयारी में क्या कमियां रह गई थी। ऐसा करके ही हम चुनाव के लिए एक कारगर नीति बना पाएंगे।
The message was quite clear. A stitch in time saves nine. It is time for the Congress party to treat the recent assembly elections as a wake-up call and learn from its mistakes. The question is, will the grand old party be able to win back the confidence of the people on the dual plank of defeating communalism and corruption? With Ravi Dhiman, Bureau Report, DD News.